Exciting day, just got my X-Tool P2 dropped off, also with the Safety Pro. Hey fellow woodcutters and problem solvers, today's video is going to be setting up the X-Tool Safety Pro AP2. I'm going to have a whole playlist on kind of integrating the X-Tool into the classroom, whether it's a STEM class, math class, or shop class. So I have the X-Tool P2 laser right here. This vac system right here, the Safety Pro AP2, is really cool because now you don't have to have maintenance or anybody run ducting from your tool all the way out through a wall and penetrate the walls. At a school, that could be really complex to get those sort of permits to do that. First thing I'd highly recommend you do is read the safety instructions and read the safety manual. And then let's go ahead and get started on it. So I did read through some of this right here. It says pull this top one out first. Out of the bags. Go back in. This is a cycle up here. The pre-filter, medium filter. Drop down to activate carbon filter. That's how you do it in there. This right here is ultra dense carbon filter. That's a big deal. This bottom right here is the high filter. So first thing I'm unwrapping all these filters. Then we come back in. And do it all the way in. Starting at the bottom. And then it comes with this accessory pack right here. A couple couplings, hose, power cord. This goes on the hose here, imagine. And then this is a super cool piece right here. This is a dongle so that it could Bluetooth connect to this. So when you turn this on, it's an auto turn on to here. So that's super cool. So there's pretty good vacuum there. Bluetooth is on. This is fan speed, 3, 4, power off. I'm all set up on the P2 now. So there it is, there's the air filter. I don't have it Bluetooth to this thing yet. I'm just gonna run it on the cord. I just have a little hello right there. I hit process, hit the blue button, ready to run. There it is, engraving. No smoke. I don't know if you tell that there's no smoke. It has a fan on this machine and then the air filter as well. So there's the filter system underneath the P2. All right, thank you for watching. Next video will be setting up the P2 and then videos on curriculum and wood projects and math projects.